Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're talking about a new confirmed bug in Microsoft Outlook that's causing a lot of frustration, especially for Excel users. If your Excel attachments aren't opening, this video will explain why and how to fix it right now. Microsoft has officially acknowledged a serious issue in the new Outlook for Windows. If you try to open an Excel attachment with non-ASCII characters in the file name, things like accented letters, symbols, or non-English characters, you'll get a vague error message saying, "Try opening the file again later." But no matter how many times you try, it won't open. The issue is tracked under the ID EX11899359, and it only affects the new Outlook client, not the classic version. Microsoft says the root cause is an encoding error in the request Outlook uses to open files. Basically, Outlook can't correctly interpret certain characters in the file name, so the opening process fails instantly. This problem has been happening since late November 2025, with the first reports appearing around November 23. It's a big issue for international users or anyone who regularly uses files named in languages other than English. As of December 1, 2025, Microsoft has developed a fix for the missing encoding, but it hasn't been rolled out to everyone yet. Engineers are currently testing the patch to make sure it doesn't cause new issues. They're also investigating why this bug appeared in the first place to prevent similar problems in future Outlook updates. So what can you do right now if your Excel attachments won't open? Microsoft has shared two official workarounds. 1. Use Outlook on the web, OWA. Log in through your browser. The web version processes these files correctly and completely avoids the bug. 2. Download the file locally. Save the attachment to your computer first. Once it's on your local drive, open it directly in Excel. This bypasses the faulty Outlook previewer. This bug is another setback for the new Outlook client, which many users already criticize for missing features compared to the classic version. Admins can track updates on this issue in the Microsoft 365 Admin Center under EX11899359. If you found this update helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and share to stay updated on all the latest tech news and fixes. See you in the next video.